Hi friends, for those who had trouble following the previous video, this is a step-by-step tutorial for the Twirl Star Rose Bowl. For this project, I used circular paper in 10 to 12 cm diameter. First of all, you need to fold the paper in half. Then, bring the half into a quarter and press the middle point. Next, I use the bamboo skewer to make a curl. Point the tip to the center and roll the paper along the circle. After initiating 1 to 2 rounds of rolling, you need to roll the paper by the thumbs back and forth within a quarter for about 5 to 6 times. And then repeat exactly the same on the other quarter. And make sure the end of the unit is sharp. You will need to make 60 of them, and after making them, you need to reinforce the curls again. Pick 3 units with the same color and assemble them into a triangle. After making 20 of them, reinforce the curls all over again. For all the 20 units, this is the color scheme that I used for this rose bowl. In the next step, you'll assemble 5 triangular units into a star. two of them, and they are placed on the opposite side to each other on the sphere. And you'll open the stars a little to loosen up the curls. Begin to connect both stars with the rest of triangular units. And during the construction, you're starting to realize that each curl will always be surrounded by 5 other curls. And always make sure that the curl is tidy and smooth. After connecting with the third triangular unit, you'll be starting to bend the whole structure in order to get the sense of a sphere. assembly of the second last unit, you may experience some of the curls popping out of the existing joint. Simply putting them back into their original positions and continue your assembly. This project does require a bit of patience to reach the final stage of construction. Finishing your assembly, ensure all curls are even and correct. If you use larger circular paper, you'll be able to produce a ball with more prominent flowers, like the one I made in the last tutorial. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like, comment and share. Good luck with making the star rose ball.